Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mario Bosa and I am the lead instructor at Taekwondo for Fitness. Today I want to show you how easy it is to deploy Windows 11 on Proxmox. So you need first to download the image from the Microsoft website, and you need virt.io that you can, for example, download from GitHub. So once you downloaded successfully the images, you can upload them to Proxmox via the upload button. Once completed, we can start with the deployment. We create a virtual machine by hitting the button on the top right. I give it a name, in my case Windows 11. And here we need to choose where we saved the images on Proxmox, and then we can select them from the list. Very important is that you select the right guest operating system. In this case it is Microsoft Windows, and you can choose the latest one at the top. In my case it's 11.22. Click on Next. Here we decide which EFI storage we choose. So in my case I have NVMe defined as a hard drive, so I choose it. I do the same with the TPM storage. You need to ensure that it is the most recent one, version 2.0. Click on Next. Now we need to select the bus device, what is in this case a virt.io block, because we use also the virt.io driver CD. I choose my storage again, NVMe. 32 gigabytes should be working fine, but the more the better, so I choose 64 as a beginning. You can still change it and increase it once you have installed Windows. You need at least 2 CPUs, and as a type for CPU I choose here host. There are also other options available, so you might have one already pre-selected, but in this case the safest one is host, so I hit Next. 4 gigabytes at least, but for more information check the system requirements for Microsoft Windows. Here choose again virt.io, para-virtualized, because we have also the driver CD attached to Proxmox for now. Hit Next. And the next step, you can review the configuration, but ensure that you are not starting the machine, because we need to do an extra step. So once the virtual machine is spinned up, we can then go into the hardware section, and you will see we have at the moment the Windows 11 image only, but we need also the virt.io driver CD. So I select CD, DVD, device or drive, choose the place where I have this image stored, and under local virt.io Windows, and click on Add. So we are basically ready from here. So I start the machine, hit the enter button, and so depending on your performance it might take a while. In my case just a couple of seconds. You can see I have here a UK image, so I hit Next, install now, and let's just wait until it is done. Okay, here you don't need to enter a license key. You can try it if it works for you, and once you are convinced that it is the right choice for you, you just purchase a key. But here you don't need to enter it yet. You can just skip it, choose the right image from here. Windows 11 Pro I have, accept the terms and conditions, and hit Next. So the first one wouldn't be working. We are not doing an upgrade, we need to customize it. And here is where the driver CD from virt.io comes into place. So we load the drivers here, we browse it, select the CD AMD 64 and Windows 11. There it is. Hit here. OK. And next. A couple of seconds here until it is done. But in this step we are not done. We need also the second driver. In this case for the network card. We open up the image again and go into the appropriate folder. So net Windows 11 again, AMD64, and hit OK. And next. So we can basically start with the installation, and let's see when it is done. Hit next. The two drivers are for the network card as well for the hard drive, and that's all from my side. Depending on your hardware configuration, this might take a bit, but thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in another tutorial. Bye bye.